How's it going? My name is Diane. I hope you're doing very well. Welcome to my video, or welcome back if you're coming back. So for today's video, it's going to sort of be a what's in my bag video, but it's going to be a little bit more fun because I have been accumulating a lot of different gadgets that I have been trying out, and these are gadgets that you may or may not know exist. And so if you're a purse lover or you like interesting things, useful things that people carry in their purse, keep on watching. Everything that I talk about, I will try to link down below. Most of them are from Amazon, but some of them are from a couple other places. And also, before we get too far into the video, I have my window open because the weather has been so nice. I am so ready for springtime. And so if you hear the birds chirping, if you hear airplanes flying by, anyways, let's get started. This is not what I carry on the daily, but I put all of the gadgets in here that I will be covering. And so I will just be pulling things out in no specific order. And so this first thing that I have right now, this is a little pink ball. And so it's a plastic hard case with holes, and inside there is a pink sticky ball in there. And this little thing rolls around in the bottom of your purse, and it picks up lint, it picks up dust, all the little crumbs, things that accumulate at the bottom of your bag. And this, it's a little bit hard to open, but you can open up this little case and you can rinse off that little sticky ball that's on the inside. You can rinse it off, and that way you can keep reusing this over and over again. So overall, I think it doesn't take a lot of space. I think it's kind of a fun little gadget to have. The next gadget that I'm pulling out is a purse light. So it looks like this, and it is by a brand named Bimbim, if you can see there. And what it is there's a button here on the top, and it's just a string of lights. There's a little hook. You can clip it anywhere on the inside of your bag, and that way if you can turn it on, or if you're in the dark and you're having a hard time seeing everything that's in the bottom of your bag, you can turn on the light, and now it lights up the interior of your bag. It's like a purse flashlight, so you can see everything that's in there. Personally, with my experience, I think this is okay. I don't keep it in my purse on the daily because a couple of things that I noticed with this long light part, it kind of gets covered up with the stuff that's in my bag, and sometimes it's just a little bit bulky and it kind of just gets in the way of things in my bag. So there are a lot of other purse lights on Amazon, but this one I tried out and I would say this is okay. I would be willing, if you have another purse light option, link it down below so I can try it out. But that's the Bimbim purse light. All right. The next little gadget thing that I have is this orange little multi-purpose tool. If you have watched my other What's in My Bag videos, you have probably seen this. But the main reason why I got this is really small. It's about the size of a pen. In fact, there is a pen here on the end. And what's cool about this is when you open it up, it's a pair of mini scissors. This is so handy. I absolutely love having this. So in addition to having the scissors, there's also a little ruler. I've never used it before, but that's there if you need it. And then there is a little knife on the end. It's tiny, tiny. It's not sharp or anything like that. It's probably just for like a little envelope opener, something like that. This multi-purpose tool is so handy. I absolutely love it. I carry it with me every single day in my little emergency pouch. And it's just when I'm out and about and I buy something and I want to open up the package or cut off tags to something. This is just so handy, just having these mini pairs of scissors. And like I said, it's the size of a pen, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. So this one I absolutely love and recommend. The next gadget in here, I've had this for years, and this is so cute. It's a little strawberry, and when you open it up, it unfolds out into a reusable bag. It opens up into one of those pretty big reusable bags, and that way you can put stuff in there, or if you cook lunch, or if you're just picking up a few small items at the grocery store, or for whatever reason. And then it's really easy because you can just fold it back up, kind of roll it and scrunch it, and then stuff it right back into the little strawberry, and then close it right back up. And so this cute little thing, I think it's really cute. It doesn't take up a lot of space in the purse, but it's nice just to have one of those reusable bags. And so that's that gadget. Next thing, it's not really a gadget, but I figured I'd include it in this video. I also keep this as part of my emergency pouch that I usually carry in my bag. And in here, this is just an Amazon purchase that is like a pill holder. So in here, it's a pretty small when you actually see it. It might look bigger when I zoom it up for you, but there are 6 slots. And then I took my label maker and then I put the names like ibuprofen, Tylenol, etc. And so that way I have all my emergency headache medicine, or if you want to take vitamins or anything like that, everything, it's nice and kind of put together, and it's space saving, so you can have your medicine and stuff with you on the go. The next item that I am pulling out, it's a series of 3 items, but they all serve the same purpose. So these are different purse holders that I have tried out and I have accumulated. So I'll kind of talk about each one of them. So this first one is called the Clippa, and it is a circle, and there are these little padded feet where you can put it on the edge of a table, and then it hangs your purse on the side of a table, kind of like this. So that's the Clippa. I've definitely used it in restaurants. This has held more of my heavier bags, such as my on-the-go tote. And I like that the feet have little pads on them, so then it doesn't slip off the side of the table. So that's the Clippa. Before I get too far into the video, I apologize. Right now I'm wearing these really cute impressed stick-on nails, and of course right before I started the video one of them fell off, but you know, it is what it is. Bagnet is the next one, and it's essentially a really strong magnet right here, and then this part is a little carabiner part where you can then put your handles of your bags in this part, for example like this, and then now you can stick this part onto, say, if there is a metal pole, if you're eating out at a restaurant, or on the metal part of a table, or if you are in a bathroom stall and there is a metal door, you can, or a metal hinge, you can stick this on there and have it holding up your bag. Overall, I don't use this. This is one of the reasons why I don't use it. This ring part is very small, and now I'm having quite a bit of a hard time getting my handles back off. There we go. That took a minute. Hopefully I didn't scratch my leather. And then also I found that I feel like not a lot of places have metal places to hang things. I'd rather just hang it off the ledge on the back of a chair like that I'm eating at, if I'm eating at a restaurant. And then the other thing too with the Bagnet is when my mom had this on her purse, it was really funny because it would be hanging kind of on the outside, kind of like a little purse decoration like that. She would just keep it on the side, but then when she would walk past certain metal things, it would, her bag would literally just like stick to things. All right, so that's the Bagnet. And then the third purse holder is one that I actually really like. This is called the Hero Clip. And the Hero Clip comes in a lot of different sizes. There's X small all the way up to I think X large. This size is the medium size. And what it is it is a carabiner part here. And it is on a swiveling adjustable hook, this part. And so I really like this because it is a really good size. This is a medium size, and that way I can put, and I have plenty of room to hang my bags and my bag handles, or even I've used my backpack, but you can see how much space there is around here. And this part on the hook, it is adjustable, and then so now I can hang it either on a table or on a chair, or I can hang it on the door of a bathroom stall. This is a medium size for the Hero Clip, and it can hold up to 60 pounds is what this says. If you get the smaller size, it holds less. If you get the larger size, it can hold more. And it's really cool because you can kind of fold the hook back together over the carabiner part, and then it becomes very like space saving inside your purse. And so those are the 3 main ones that I have been trialing out for purse hooks. Out of the Bagnet, the Clippa, and the Hero Clip, I actually would prefer the Hero Clip. So now I only carry the Hero Clip in my purse daily, and these I just keep at home in my closet. If I had to choose between these two, I would pick the Clippa over the Bagnet. I would just say the Bagnet one is my least favorite. One, because this loop part is really small, where it doesn't hold a lot of purses with bigger handles, and then not everywhere has like a magnetic place to hang this, or if it does, my experience has been if I stick it to something, it slowly like kind of the gravity pulls it down, and that kind of just defeats the purpose of having something hold my bag up. So those are my purse holders. And the next thing in here, it's not really like purse related, but this is something that I figured I'd share. These are my car keys that I got on Amazon, and I just think it's a really cute decorative thing. It is a car fob keychain slash key holder. I picked the white and the gold. I think it's really pretty. See, it's just a cover that holds my car remote, and then it comes with this ring part where I can put my other keys, and then there is this handle part, so it makes it easier for me to carry. And so I think it just elevates it. I think it makes it look really nice. I drive a white car, so I think it kind of matches it. And so that's that. And then this is probably something that everyone probably knows these days. This I started carrying at the beginning of the pandemic a couple years ago. But this is a like little thing where I don't have to open the doors. I can use my finger, and then this part hooks onto the door. So I can pull open some doorknobs when I'm in public, or most often these days now I just use this when I'm in the elevator. I use this to push the buttons of the elevator. That way I'm not touching everything in public. And then we're getting to the end of it. The last thing that I have in my bag that I wanted to share today is this. And it's kind of cute. This is probably a little excessive. Probably all of these gadgets are really excessive, but I thought that they're fun. And so anyways, this is like a little purse umbrella slash purse protector. So it comes in this cute little pouch, and there are like raindrops all over it. So it looks like this. It's kind of big. This is called the handbag raincoat. So it's essentially a raincoat for the handbags. Let me demonstrate with my current purse right now. There is this Velcro part where you can open up the top part. This entire part is Velcroed, and then you can just put your handles through. And then in between the handles, you could then re-Velcro up that part. And then now, if you're ever caught in the rain, and say if you have a bag that has a lot of vachetta leather, or say if you have a really nice bag that you don't want to get ruined in the rain, now your purse has a mini little raincoat. So look how cute that is. This one, it actually fits this purse perfectly. I like that this part is all Velcroed, so you can then re-Velcro this middle part. Because if it was not Velcroed and it was all open, then I just feel like there's more area and stuff for the rain to get in. But I think this is really cute. The only thing to note is if you do have a bag with vachetta leather handles, obviously then the handles part is still exposed to the rain, but at least the rest of the bag is then protected. So I think that's really cute. That is the handbag raincoat. So anyways, that is all of the gadgets that I have today. I just wanted to make a quick little fun video and share some gadgets. If you have any other gadgets that you have discovered, please comment down below, because I just love discovering things. I just love anything purse related, little gadgets, things like that. If you really enjoyed today's video, I would love to have you subscribe along so you're notified when I have other videos that pop up, and then it also helps my channel grow. Otherwise, I hope you're doing well. Happy springtime, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.